Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel on Shopify. So let's get started. So this is how I'm going to show you because it's much easier. So all you have to do is first you have to go and log in into your Facebook Business Manager, right? Now after you obviously sign up and do everything like that, you will need to go to settings, to more business settings. And obviously you will need to go to data sources right here. From the data sources, go to pixels. And by the way, Facebook is changing this all the time. So just go to pixels or try to go and try to search right here. If you have right here on the left side, pixel, just try to find the pixel name or pixels. Then you need to click on the add button in the tab on the right. Right, and then as you can see, you can add pixel right here. You'll need to write the name of the pixel right here, and you need to click the website as well to enter your website. Click continue, and then as you can see, set up pixel now right here. Click on that as well, and then to install pixel onto your store on Shopify, what you will need to do is add code using a partner integration. After you go through the partner integration, click on Shopify, and then later you will be taken to your Shopify store. And then you will have to just follow along the steps and then just click I've completed the setup on Shopify, click next, and you will just need to verify your pixel, and then the pixel will be live as you can see, and you can test the events in the events manager, stuff like that, right? And yeah, pretty much like that. Now as you can see, currently the recommended Meta Pixel setup is 1 pixel per store, so make sure that you follow these terms of services. You cannot add more pixels to your store. That's pretty much how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify in a really quick tutorial. Hope you guys that you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next video.